Hey everyone on YouTube, it's Vanessa. So I wanted to make a video, and this time I decided to make a video about what's in my refrigerator. So we have a Whirlpool refrigerator. So let's open it and see what's going on. Let's see, in the door we got chocolate milk, creamer, a copper water bottle. This copper water bottle is so good. If you put water in it, it recharges the water and purifies it. It's $30 on Amazon. So gotta have a copper water bottle. Let's see. Cake, bundt cake for the 4th of July. Let's see, Amish butter. You see that? It's butter. Let's see, what else do I got in my refrigerator? Let's see, here's some bean dip. This is for the 4th of July. Some good old-fashioned bean dip. Yummy, yummy. Applesauce. I just got a tooth pulled, so I definitely have applesauce. It's almost empty. I need another one. Let's see what else. In this door, I got Hershey's, my condiments, cocktail sauce, soy sauce, Japanese barbecue sauce is right here. And let's see, sour cream. This is a meat drawer down here. Ooh, got some steak. You see the price of this steak? $17 for 2 steaks. Ooh, so expensive. And then I got a snake bite burger. They're $7. And last, I got a barbecue tri-tip. Again, all of that's for the 4th of July. Not only is the 4th of July Independence Day, but it's also my mother's birthday. So we go crazy with the celebration. And I'll let you look in the freezer. This is a freezer. We got frozen fruit, bacon. This is the meat. See all the meat? Meatballs. Those are meatballs. Gotta have thick sliced bacon. Cheese sticks. But yeah, that's my refrigerator. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And later, YouTube. Bye.